Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we will learn how to update the firmware of a Schneider PLC using EcoStruxure Machine Expert. First we need to open up the Schneider Electric software installer. Here we want to download Machine Expert Service Tools. The installation will take a little while. When the installation is finished we can click OK and close the installer. I will now open up Machine Expert. Here I will create a new project with the correct PLC type. If we now go to the controller and update the list, here we can see that my controller have the firmware version 4.0.6.38, which is a very old version. Now to update the controller we want to open up the Open Controller Assistant. Once it's open we want to click on Update Firmware. Then we choose the correct controller type and the latest firmware version. Then we just click Next until we can see our connected controller. Here we need to type in its IP address and connect to it to start the firmware update. The firmware update can take quite some time. Once the update is done the controller will reboot itself. Make sure to let the PLC reboot itself and let it take its time needed. If we now click on Update we can see that the firmware version is updated to the latest version. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.